In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom Recording. To get started, open your Zoom desktop app and make sure you're signed into the correct account where your recording was saved. This is important because the recordings you see will depend on the account you're currently using. Once you're inside the Zoom app, go to the top of the window and click Hub. After that, look over to the left-hand panel and click Recordings. This section is where Zoom organizes your saved content, and near the top, you'll see different tabs that help separate the types of recordings available. These tabs include cloud recordings, computer recordings, and My Notes recordings. If your meeting was recorded to the cloud, downloading it is very simple. Click the Cloud Recordings tab if it isn't already selected, then find the recording you want in the list. On that recordings row, click the download button. Zoom will then save the file to your computer's default downloads folder. If you're not sure where that is, it's usually the downloads folder set by your browser or operating system. After the download finishes, you can open the file from there and move it to another folder later if needed. If your recording was saved to your computer instead of the cloud, then there's nothing extra to download. That recording is already stored locally on your machine. To find it, go to the Computer Recordings tab and locate the file in the list. Then click the More Options icon on the right side of that recordings row. From the drop-down menu, choose View File Location. Zoom will open your computer's file explorer directly to the folder where that recording is stored. Once the folder opens, you can click your file, play it back, rename it, copy it, or move it wherever you want. If your file explorer opens behind the Zoom window, just select it from your taskbar and you'll be right at the recording's location. One helpful thing to remember is that cloud recordings need to be downloaded because they live online, while computer recordings are already on your device from the moment the meeting finishes processing. So if you don't see a download button, that usually means the file is already saved locally. And that's it. That's how to download a Zoom recording or locate it if it was recorded directly to your computer.